I talked about the difference between vectors and pixels. I'm now going to focus primarily on this vector-based logo. Vector graphics are described mathematically. Each object in my logo is defined using anchor points. I'm going to zoom in on this top stone. If I select my standard selection tool and click on an object, it activates the bounding box. To directly go in and see the anchor points that define my shape, I'm switching to the direct selection tool. If I then click on an anchor point, it will activate the direction lines and the handles. The distance between the handle and the anchor point controls the amount of curve between anchors. A path defines the route between the anchors, and each anchor is described on the page mathematically with an X and Y coordinate. This is in relationship to your 0, point on your artboard. So when defining graphics, you place your anchors and control how the path transitions between the anchors.